Most people believe that wealth is all about numbers, formulas, and spreadsheets. But here's the truth: money is 90% psychology and only 10% math. It's not just about how much you earn, it's about how you think, behave, and make financial decisions over time. Key takeaway: your financial success isn't just determined by intelligence but by your ability to control your emotions, avoid impulsive decisions, and stay consistent with good money habits. Here's something most people don't realize: building wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you save. Morgan Housel shares examples of people with average salaries who became millionaires simply by saving consistently. Key takeaways: 1. You don't need to be a high earner to become wealthy. 2. Small, consistent savings add up over time. 3. Financial security is about having control over your money, not chasing higher paychecks. Have you ever noticed that when people start making more money, they also start spending more? This is called lifestyle inflation. Instead of using extra income to build wealth, many people use it to buy bigger houses, luxury cars, and unnecessary expenses. And guess what? They stay broke despite earning more. Key takeaway: true wealth comes from increasing your savings and investments, not your spending. We often look at billionaires and think they got rich purely by hard work. But Housel reminds us that luck plays a role, too. Timing, circumstances, and opportunities can influence financial success. However, the key is to control risk and make wise long-term decisions. Key takeaways: 1. Never gamble your entire wealth on one risky move. 2. Prepare for uncertainty by diversifying your investments. 3. Recognize that financial success isn't just about working hard, it's also about managing risks wisely. The secret to becoming wealthy isn't quick wins, it's time. The longer you stay invested, the more your money compounds. This is how Warren Buffett built his fortune, not by chasing fast gains, but by letting his money grow over decades. Key takeaways: 1. Start investing as early as possible. Time is your best friend. 2. Patience beats trying to time the market. 3. Focus on long-term financial habits rather than short-term wins. What's the ultimate goal of money? It's not luxury or status, it's freedom. Financial freedom means having control over your time, choices, and life. It's about being able to do what you love without worrying about money. Key takeaways: 1. Wealth isn't just about getting rich, it's about having control over your life. 2. The ability to make choices without financial stress is the greatest form of wealth. 3. Investing in financial independence is better than chasing luxury. So, timeless thinkers, what's the biggest lesson from the psychology of money? It's not about how much you make, it's about how you manage your money, your habits, and your mindset. Here's what you need to do right now. Action steps: 1. Save and invest consistently. Start small, but stay consistent. 2. Avoid lifestyle inflation, live below your means and build real wealth. 3. Be patient, let time and compounding work for you. Small blue diamond: seek financial freedom, not just riches. Did this video change the way you think about money? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more life-changing financial insights. See you next time, timeless thinkers. Next time, we'll break down another powerful book that can transform your financial future. Stay tuned, and as always, think timelessly.